like and subscribe Anong Sayo TV mo. Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kaanyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about Kim Soo-yeon, only here on Annyeong Chiga Update! Kim Soo-yeon will be singing an OST for Queen of Tears. It was reported on April 18 that Kim Soo-yeon is confirmed to record the OST for Queen of Tears. In response to the report, TVN confirmed Kim Soo-yeon and the production team put in great effort to create this song, aiming to reciprocate the love shown by fans. Please keep an eye on upcoming episodes to discover in which scenes the song will be featured. This will mark as Kim Soo-yeon's comeback, singing an OST after 10 years, since My Love from the Star. Kim Soo-yeon is not only known for his acting skills, but also for his singing talent. He previously showcased his singing talent multiple times from his dramas including Moon Embracing the Sun and Dream High. That's it mga kaanyong! Are you very excited for the new OST of Queen of Tears that will be sung by Kim Soo-yeon? Comment your thoughts below.